We're going to install a new magnetic clutch onto an air conditioner compressor. The coil on this one went bad. Sometimes you can swap these out without removing the compressor. In this case, I had to move the compressor to the front by removing the front end of the car and putting it here. The refrigerant lines are still connected. Electrical connection fits into a groove right here, and place the plug on. Secure the magnetic clutch, we'll put a snap ring in. Use snap ring pliers to put it in. The spring clip is completely seated into the groove. Feel it nice and tight. We'll place the pulley on, put another spring clip on here, spread it and put it into the groove. Make sure it's seated into the groove. It'll feel nice and tight. Next part may involve some spacers. If you put it in and there's no air gap, we're gonna have to put some spacers in here. Place a spacer in, back into place. Different thickness of shims, so just go until you have that real fine gap. You can see the pulley moves around real nice. Be able to engage until the magnet engages it. Everything together with a nut. 10mm wrench will snug it up. Snugged on there pretty good. Magnetic clutch is installed.